Hey poultry farmer, did you know that a simple mixture of charcoal and ginger could protect your chickens against dangerous disease? Yes, this natural remedy could be the secret weapon you were looking for to protect your chickens against a dangerous disease. So stay with me as I'm going to explain and I'm going to review this dangerous disease that charcoal and ginger will treat. Stay with me as I'm going to prepare, as I'm going to give you the correct way and effective way of giving it to your chickens. Yes, so let me give you the disease that charcoal and ginger treats. It treats a very dangerous disease that is caused by a parasite called Emeria, and this is coccidiosis. Every poultry farmer knows that coccidiosis is a dangerous disease because this disease usually attacks the chicken's gut. It attacks the intestine. This parasite eats up the intestines of the chickens, causing the chickens to breed. And the chicken starts to breed, and the moment they are dropping their droppings, they start to pass out droppings which have blood in them. So this is a dangerous disease. So let me explain how this works now. Ginger is a natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory herb. So it helps in boosting up the immune system of our chickens. So when our chickens eat ginger, their immune system is strengthened so they fight off diseases easily. On the other hand, charcoal. Charcoal is like a sponge that absorbs the toxins, the bad bacteria, and excess moisture in the digestive tract of our chickens. So, with having these ingredients put in together, they help in detoxifying the intestines of the chickens, and also they kill the parasites in the digestive system of our chickens. So today we are going to prepare this mixture and give it to our chickens because our chickens are in the deep litter. There's a possibility that they will get coccidiosis. There's a possibility because that parasite always stays in the chickens' droppings. So there's a chance because the chickens, the moment they are picking down there, they're picking something there, chances are high that they'll eat their droppings. So we are going to prepare this mixture. Stay with me because there are other important details that I'll give you the moment we'll be preparing this. So stay with me, watch the video. Please, all those who are watching the video, I know it's going to help you in poultry farming. It's going to help you in you learning a smooth business in poultry farming. So please consider liking the video, and those who are new, subscribe. Those who are willingly, you can share the video so that others will be able to watch and benefit. But I would love everyone that watches to like the video so that it can show to me that what I'm sharing, that will help them and that will help me as well because I use these things. You are liking it and it's giving you easy way to learn your poultry farming business. So let's get in and start preparing. So we have our ginger right here. So I'm thinking I should start with ginger because if I start with garlic, if I start with charcoal, this will be black and we will not be able to see visibly how this will be pounded and how it will turn to be. So we'll start with ginger, then later on we are going to put in charcoal. So let me show you the pieces that I have. So because we don't have a big number of chickens, but the moment these chickens will start increasing in number, you will see that we increase the ginger and we increase the charcoal. So let's prepare this and also have some detailed ways on how to use this. We'll talk more on how good this is, how you're supposed to use it. So let's start now and preparing this. So start with this like I've mentioned. So we'll cut into smaller pieces, then we put them into our grinder. This is what we use to prepare most of the ingredients that we use right here. So we are going to prepare just right here. So as you can see, this is ready. This is ready. We can now start preparing charcoal. It's easy to make. So this is ready. Look at this. This is ready. This is ready. This is how it looks. So we can now. So let us put this that we have prepared in here. That we start preparing the charcoal. Prepare the charcoal. So this is the thing. I didn't want this to be dark. That's why I have prepared this first. So charcoal, you just put smaller pieces. But in case if you have big pieces, you can use big pieces. But for me, I'm going to use smaller pieces. It'll be easy to prepare. Then I'll give you this hint. Don't use too much excess of charcoal, because excess of charcoal might block the absorption of nutrients in the chicken's digestive system. So make sure you use just a few. Don't use a lot of charcoal. Don't put a lot of charcoal in your mixture. So let us prepare this charcoal. It has to be in a powder form. So this is ready. Let me just show you. This is how it looks. It is ready. So we are going to put in water. So now let us do the mixing. So charcoal, we're going to have it here. So like I've mentioned, don't use a lot of charcoal. Just use something that you can see like this. So the way I'm going to prepare this, so let me just show you. Pour water here. Okay, so the way I'm going to mix this is this way. Let's just pour water. What we're going to do, so we also add water in ginger. Add some water. Some onions here. So anyway, since we are going to mix it this way, so now we need to sieve. So like I told you last time, I use a sack to sieve, because if you look at this, there are no holes, but only liquid will pass through to go in. So this is why I love using this. We are only going to get the liquid, pure liquid only, because that's all we need. So we are sieving. is a way you prepare a secret recipe that could cure coccidiosis in your chickens, a deadly disease that you don't need in your chicken's stock. Because this disease, if not treated, it can wipe out the whole flock within just days. And then this same mixture that we are doing here also increases the appetite of your chickens. The chickens increases in appetite. So when you use it to broilers, your broilers will grow very fast and very big because they'll have a good appetite. So we are almost done, but this residue that we've removed is a residue. This is what we've removed. We're going to add more water in this so that we can get all what we have done and get all the ingredients that we need. Because if you look here, there's this residue here, but you know there's some good thing in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in here and then take out everything. We put more water so that we get all what we need from this. Then what we are going to do with this same residue, we are going to put it in our chickens' feed for them to feed on it. This same residue that you're seeing is good for the chickens' feed. We're going to put it in chickens' feed. So let's put more water in this so that we soak out every ingredient. Okay, that's enough. So let it sit a little bit, then we soak out everything. Because we don't want to leave anything behind. So we need to put all of it. So you see, if you look at this, the color has become different. That means all the residue that we need from this has been taken out. This is what we need. So finish up. Take a look and see what we have right here. So this is very effective because no bigger particles will go in here. That's why I use a sack to prepare. So all the big particles have remained just here. So we are done. Let's open up to see what we have right here. Wow, this is what we have here. This is what we have. So now we need to put it in another drinker. So let's clean up this other drinker. So for us to have a good picture of us not having bigger particles in this water, what we're going to do, we are going to sieve this same one, sieve it again, but I'm guaranteed. So just so we'll sieve. Let's rotate this. We rotate it on the other side. Rotate it and put it on the other side like this. And sieve and see how good this is. So this can enter, but a bit slow. So see here. So let's see over here. There's any particles. So this is our last portion. Just to make sure that we have no particles in here. We have to make sure we sieve completely. So yeah, we are done. So this is what we have with us. So this is good enough for our chickens. So let's just add a little bit of water in it to make it full. So this is enough for our chickens to drink up. It's good enough. So we go and give it to our chickens so that they can drink. So let's go guys and give it to the chickens. To bring it to my chickens. Yeah, we have it here. And I'm gonna put something here because these chickens are always jumping on top of this. So I'm putting this just for protection so that these chickens will not jump on top of it and drop and mess up with water. Most of the time they'll sit on top here. Then when they sit here, the drinker, especially this big chicken, the drinker now, the moment it wants to jump off, the drinker is pushed out. Then we've wasted this. So this is why I'm putting this here. So that these chickens, even the moment when they want to, they will see this, they can't jump on top of it. So guys, we've prepared this, we've given it to our chickens. So now let's allow our chickens to drink. So guys, that's how you prepare. And for those who are treating, give it to your chickens straight 7 days. Prepare it this way. But for those who are just preventing, give it for 3 days. Then those who are treating, if you've seen the signs for the first time, make sure you leave your chickens a little bit thirsty for some time and then give them this ingredient. Prepare it the way I've shown you, then give it to your chicken. And guys, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for those who are new. So guys, that's how you prepare. So now let's allow the chickens to have a sip on this. We allow them to drink and of course we'll give them for 3 days. And this also will treat other diseases because the immune system of the chicken, because of ginger, is an antibiotic. So let's allow the chickens to drink. So guys, chickens are drinking over there. So those when they are done, the other ones will do it. And then these chickens, their immune system will be strengthened and they'll be in perfect shape. And guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next video. For I know it will be a vital video as well. And also watch the other videos that I've already uploaded because those videos have good information that you could use. Maybe for those who are not having ginger and charcoal close to them, you can watch my other videos. Maybe those ingredients that I did in that other video, you have them. Use them and then have the benefits to your chickens so that you don't have to stress. My chickens are sick, my chickens are that. Use these ingredients, watch the other video so that you have the information. You can use it at any time that you want it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.